Where's the volume at, bro? Oh, we're actually common.
Always makes sense to you right now.
Dude, that was sick, bro. I was like a board slide 270 out. You see that shit, bro?
Look at me. Look what I can do.
Look at this fucking hair, dude.
Hey, guys.
Get out my way, bitch.
Oh!
Sick!
Sick! Oh, I got that camera too, bro. I call it a back bomb.
Now I gotta edit this guy.
Yo, dude, that's a pro right there, dude. Where's my sponsors at? Look at this fucking air, bro.
Becky.
Sean White wouldn't even do that. Killing it, bro. That was like a 200-foot gap right there.
Alright. Alright.
200-foot cap.
Nice. Smooth, yeah.
Scabaloo. Chickamona.
Nice.
Nice.
That was fancy. Look how far back you were. Whoopsie.
Fucking 180. I was weak, bro. That was a 720.
Here we go.
Oh, that's sick that you zoomed into that.
Laddie.
Oh, yeah.
That girl was totally checking out his ass.
While we were checking out hers.
Nice snow pants. That was waterproof. Kids over here hucking. Nice.
Literally said it. We're making jokes. We're taking our line so serious. She got 200-foot gap.
Whoopsie. Cool. But check out my sick 180, right? I got like 2 inches of hair. Okay. That box beat me up last week. Here, we talk about that. He's surfing. This is Sizzly Snake. I feel like I could do that. There's me coming at you.
Dude, it looks like I did like a double backflip, and I really did a backflip.
And then I fall. And I won't take Jimmy.
Sorry, guys.
Dude, what I can do? I'm getting close ups, bro.
Would you zoom in the hole?
Whoa.
Holy shit, dude. Whoa, bro. That was some serious air. Holy fuck!
Call Red Bull. Call Red Bull now.
That's it. Now, I don't know. You want to go Red Bull or Monster? You gotta pick.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, no,
Lost
don't.
all your sponsors.
Can't
Just right there.
cancel that call. Oh, shit.